Namaskar and welcome to the Sanatan Messenger. The Almighty, that is Lord Vishnu, created 4 castes based on their work and vices. The castes are Brahmin, Kshatriya, Vaishya and Shudra. All the 4 castes have always had major contributions in our society. The Brahmins were meant for gaining and imparting knowledge, staying neat and clean, controlling his internal and external senses, forgiving everyone, meditating, respecting everyone, etc. The Kshatriyas were meant for having vigor and efficiency, not retreating from war, maintaining a good administration, having a tendency to donate. The Vaishyas were meant for involving themselves actively in agriculture and business, and Shudras were meant for providing services to the Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas, and themselves. But these 4 castes were created based on their works only, which meant that if a son of a Brahmin who did not follow or perform the works of a Brahmin could never be considered as a Brahmin. But yes, one thing is still obvious. The destination of the soul of a person after life is determined by the works of his previous life, or his previous to previous life, or his previous to previous to previous life, and so on. Friends, there was a person named Ajamil in Satyayug. Ajamil was a son of a Brahmin, but he was never involved in the tasks that had to be done to be identified as a Brahmin. He was associated with all sorts of negative tasks like looting others, molesting women, getting overdrunk and beating his own wife, etc. So basically, Ajamil was a sinner. He had many sons and daughters, but he gave the name Narayan to one of his sons. And most of us know that Narayan is the other name of Lord Vishnu. So when Ajamil was much near to his last breath of life, he once called that son by his name, that is Narayan, and soon after his last breath of life, the messengers of Yamlok, that is the place where the god of death named Yamraj lived, were ready to carry his soul to the Yamlok. But on the other hand, the messengers from Vishnulok or Vaikunt, there is a place where Lord Vishnu lives, came to the spot suddenly, and they told the messengers of Yamlok to retreat from the spot, as the soul of Ajamil would be going to the Vishnulok according to the messengers of Vishnulok. Hence the messengers of Vishnulok took the soul of Ajamil to Vishnulok, and the messengers of Yamlok with their dejected faces went back to Yamlok. After returning to Yamlok, they asked Yamraj the reason behind taking away of the soul of Ajamil by the messengers of Vishnulok to the Vishnulok. Yamraj told his messengers not to feel bad about what had happened, but he also told that nothing happens without reasons. It was true that Ajamil was a sinner during his life, but on his life prior to that life, he had a lot of appreciable works, and moreover he called his son named Narayan by his name, which is one of the 1,000 names of Lord Vishnu. Before his death, that also played a major role in occurrence of that event. While dying, people of the Sanatan religion pronounce the name of the Almighty to forgive them if they have done any misdeeds within or without their knowledge. But Ajamil carried out all misdeeds during his life with complete knowledge and sense. In spite of that, his soul went to Vishnulok after death instead of going to hell. This was the magic of doing good works in his life previous to his past life, and also pronouncing the name of the Almighty before death. Thus, our actions in past life, or more than one past life, and taking the name of the Almighty before our last breath, determine the fate of our souls. This is all for today. For more interesting facts and stories of Sanatan religion, kindly like, subscribe and share The Sanatan Messenger. Till then, take care of yourselves as well as your family members and the people around you, and take the name of the Almighty. Jai Sri Vishnu. Namaskar.